Alright, so y'all, this did not take me long, like all my styles. But I have 5 more braids to do, so I'm gonna do these last 4 on camera. So I'm gonna kind of show y'all how I do it. Okay, so this is what works well for me, so you can learn from it. So first, all right, so see how my hair is long. So I'm gonna go through, and then I'm gonna wrap it around the braid. Then I'm gonna do like that, and that's it. That's how you make it short, easy. Then I'm gonna go in with the spring here. I'll leave it like that, so one side shorter, long, blah blah. So I like to twist it so I can be able to easily put it on the latch hook, because it's hard using this thing on your own hair. So that's what works for me. So then we're gonna stick it in, put the hair on, make sure all the hair is on there, because if not, it's gonna be a hot ass mess. So then pull it through. I like to let one side go and just get that thing off the latch, and whoop, there it is. And so one side is going to be shorter than the other, so I'm going to kind of line it up with the other dreads, maybe a little bit tad longer. So then we're going to grab all of this, my real hair, the spring hair, we're going to grab those together, and then I'm going to puff this out a little bit more. And then we're going to wrap tightly 4 times around the base. And then, so then I like to wrap the hair around my thumb, like twice, to give it that butterfly look. Like while I was doing my hair, I was just trying other techniques, but this is what I seem to like. And this hair has to get caught on everything, like my wrists, my ring, my nails. But it's a really easy style to do with the nails. Okay, oh my God. All right, so we're just gonna wrap, and then we're gonna use our thumb, wrap, 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 thumb, and wrap, wrap, And we want to keep looking to see if it matches the length of the other locks. So, and then like towards the end, I like to like twist it back up. Some people cut it, but I like to twist it back up like that. And then when I get back up, just do like that. I don't want to use glue because that's just doing too much. Too much. And that's how I get my lock. Hopefully it's right. Okay, so yeah. It's tight, not too tight. Yeah. So pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do that one. So I got my little spring here. It comes like this. So we're gonna cut this bad boy in half. So now we're gonna, well, first we need to put this hair up because it's too long. It's so much harder to do. Well, not harder, but it's like slows you down when you have nails. But I'm trying to get used to it. Alright, so got that one. So now we're going to get the spring here. And we're going to rotate it in. Out just like it. One side shorter than the other one. Grab your 2 strands of the spring here. Make sure they're equal. And if you're having problems like separating your hair, you can try mousse or spraying water on the hair, but they don't have problems with this Freetress hair. You have to get this one. Like any other Freetress Water Wave or whatever brand I don't know about, and they probably tangle, but you have to get this one because it works best, in my opinion. So I don't have some Freetress hair. I really like they color like 1B30 or 1B whatever. Those tend to tangle up a lot. Well, I always stick to my 1 or 1B. I typically like to use 1 because it's like jet black and it just looks the best on me. And my hair is dyed jet black, so yeah. But you have, oh yeah, I forgot. So we're gonna twist it and then latch it on. That makes it easier. See how it just go right on there and pull it through. So now I'll level up to the dress. It can be a little longer, like that. I'm gonna grab all the braid and the spring here, all of this and that one with the short piece. Wrap around 4 times around the base. I just lost count, but y'all get it. And then, yeah. Oh, this is in my way. So now, I wrap it around my thumb 2 times, and then let go. This hair over here, just trying to get in. Twice again. Oh, see, look, So if you see the spring here, it's popped out, so we're gonna go back and wrap that bad boy in there. Alright. So now we're gonna wrap twice. Keep going. Again. So now we're just gonna keep wrapping. But yeah, y'all, that's really it. It can all be so simple. You just gotta put effort into doing it and learning the technique. And then at the end, you like twist it back up. Messily. That's it. And that's how the lock came out. And yeah, so I like how that one kind of shorter, so kind of cute in the front. I have 2 left to do. So now, but I'm gonna just speed this up so y'all can watch me do it. Little. Ryan Little. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.